Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can use Davinci Resolve, the PC editing app, or program rather, to whiten teeth and so on and so forth. So, as you can see, I have it already open. I have inserted the image into the media pool and I have created a timeline. I'll just show you how to do that real quick. Let me just delete this timeline. Just click delete. Alright, so the way you create a timeline is go right click, create new timeline, set up everything how you wanted, set up the beginning time code, everything like that, click create, and now it's done. You insert the picture or whatever just by dragging it, right clicking it, and I think there should be a new, like a insert, yeah, into timeline using timecode. Yeah, there's an insert option, but yeah, that is pretty much how you insert the picture. And now to actually go to the teeth whitening option. Yeah, if I didn't say it before, this tutorial will be about whitening teeth in Davinci Resolve. So yeah, to whiten teeth, you want to go down here and you want to go here to this color wheel or whatever it is. Go there and I will be taken to, I think, this screen. This is what it'll look like. And yeah, as you can see to the right, I have a node. In the middle, I have the image. And what you want to do is to first of all select the area that you want to whiten. So let me just use a circle, just basic things. Just drag it, select the area you want, as wide, as narrow, as long as you want. Let's say I think that is good enough. Then you want to go into this option, into curves, go into hue versus saturation, click on the teeth and set it up. Click on several spots so you get all of them. And yeah, just by playing around with these options, you guys will have the option of whitening teeth. You might have seen a change there. Just make sure to be subtle with it, since if you're not subtle, then it could mess up other things in the video. And yeah, that's about it. I hope it helps, and I'll see you guys in another video.